Statistics says that an average man spends yearly 2060 days at work, which is more or less 1/3 of their lifetime. Most of the people don't like their work. They are stuck in a routine, spending all days on boring and unpleasant tasks, which they don't make for themselves but for the company to make profit. The COVID-19 pandemic seems to have shifted the paradigm a little bit. Smart working lets you work from home, saving transfer times to and from workplace, letting you be in a familiar environment. But this, my friend, is an illusion. You are still committed to a 9-5 business model, investing your time in something that isn't yours. Things become even worse when demanding managers and stressful tasks repeat on a daily basis. I have always been a freelancer, but due to the pandemic, I spent 1.5 years in these conditions, and for me, there is something wrong with it. With this system, you spend most of your energies at work, confining the care of your personal interests in the remaining time with few energy left for them. Can you feel how this productive system drains you, but don't let you progress as a human being? And while this isn't true for every kind of jobs, it is for most office and 9-5 employed works. Basically, you are selling your life for a few bucks. But the great news, my friend, is that you are the master of your life. You don't have to be stuck in something you don't like forever. For me, the safety of a fixed income at the end of the month doesn't worth the time spent working for others. It is a ruinous investment which is not going to give something really valuable in return. You have the power to decide what to do and what is better for your life in every single moment. After several years spent being the manager of myself, looking for freelance jobs, organizing them, and being free from people who tell you when and how to do something, I was feeling that being employed doing something I didn't like was an error. So when the company I was working for offered me a renewal for a second year, I simply refused. I decided to invest into myself instead, bringing back my passions and dreams, trying to maximize the effort and the return for myself. The main goal is to be a better filmmaker, improving my skills, finding more clients and satisfying jobs. By leaving my employed work, basically I bought me time to work on these goals. It is not easy, and you can count mostly on yourself in such a decision, employing all your inner strength. Many people may be scared in making such a step, but once you're in, the more time passes, the more chances you will see around in a way that would have been impossible while stuck in an office all day. Of course, you can't improvise such a move for your life, and a bit of planning and goal settings operations are needed in advance. Write down your dreams and break them up into concrete tasks and projects you can achieve. But don't be a wannabe forever. At some point, jump. You will find the courage along the way, you will find the resources, the ideas, and everything you need to achieve what you want. It is just like climbing a mountain, you only need to stay focused on the final goal. And trust me if I say that you will make it, and you will enjoy the process like nothing you experienced before. Don't be afraid to take decisions. If you feel there is something wrong in your life, you have the power to change it. Nothing is forever. Shift your mindset in order to create around you the circumstances that will help to reach the goal you set for yourself. Start doing what you really crave for and open your mind to the endless possibilities that life put in front of you.